Quantity. Quantity means how much. How much. It also describe the liquid things. Mostly it in the quantity the things that include are the liquids. Liquids sometimes they may be solids like as grains. Grains are also means quantities. The thing means uncountable but measurable. These are measurables like as some, any, most, more, etc. Means number third. The number third is a number.
Greetings from Tahzeeb, and today my presentation topic is relates to grammar, and the name of the topic is adjective and their types. So firstly we have to know that what is the definition of adjective. Adjective is a word which qualifies a noun. It means that adjective is a word that tells quality, quantity, number, size, shape, color of a noun. Okay? Quality, quantity, number, shape and color of a noun. So there are three types of adjective. The first is the quality of adjective of quality, adjective of quantity and adjective of number. So firstly, adjective of quality. Adjective of quality shows the kind or the quality of a noun. It means that or what kind. Okay, so it means that it shows the abilities and the habits.
Shows the number, color and size of a noun. That I want to describe the types. That adjective of quality. Adjective of quality that refers how many times, what kind of person and what kind of thing. That I want to give the example that it shows sometimes a good quality and it shows sometimes a bad quality. And the second is the adjective of quantity. It shows the how much. That I want to give the example that water, tea and cup, that it is not countable but measurable. We say that water is countable, an example of quantity.
The adjective of quantity is good or bad. What kind of the thing? The man, girl, boy. What kind of the man? What kind of the boy means he is the brave boy. What kind of boy? Brave. That brave show that the adjective of the quality. And she is an intelligent girl. Her intelligent is the adjective of the quality and show the quality. And number is second is the adjective of the quantity means the uncountable but the measurable, like the some, little, few, or enough. A whole. She has a whole attitude and she has a.
Adjective of number refers to the exact number and it is countable, but and it describes how many. So it describes how many, and examples are like, you know, the hand has 5 fingers. So here the 5 shows the exact number. You know, adjective of number here shows the exact number. And few kids like cold water. You know, few. Here few shows the meaning of adjective of number. And then here are some ripe mangoes. So you know how many mangoes? Here are some ripe mangoes. Some.
Exactly, adjective is. An adjective is a part of speech. That modifies or qualifies a noun or pronoun. Adjectives usually tell us about the what kind, how many and how much, and it also tells us about the color, size, shape, number, quality and quantity of a noun. A noun is always written immediate after the adjective. He is looking very gorgeous in that black dress. Like here the word gorgeous is telling about the girl that she is looking very beautiful. Second sentence, if we see in the second sentence,
I am going to define only 3 types. Only 3 types. They are adjective of quantity, adjective of quality and adjective of numbers. First, the quality. Of what kind? Quantity. How much? Number. How many? First, adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity refers to how much amount and the things means that the quantity. That the adjective of the numbers is refers to how many refers to how many. Adjective of quantity is always in uncountable but measurable.
And shape of any noun like good boy, water, a glass of water. So first one is adjective of quality. Adjective of quality means of what kind, a thing of what kind of noun is. So the examples of quality just like a good girl, a intelligent girl, a lazy man. So quality, there are two kinds of quality, good quality or bad quality. Everything has a good
Much and adjective of number, how many. In adjective of quality, quality can be bad and quality also can be good. For example, these chocolate are good. In this sentence you will observe that the quality refers good, and the other sentence, these chairs are bad, the quality refers to bad. That is why in adjective of quality can be good and bad. And the second one is adjective of quantity. It refers how much quantity. It is not countable, but it is measurable. For example, some, any, few, little, whole are.
Noun is good or bad. For example, he is dishonest. So here dishonest is the bad aspect of a man, that he is it's not the good quality, but it's the bad quality of the man. If there's a sentence that he is honest man, so here the man is good, has good aspect, or the quality is good. And second is adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity refers to the
it shows the number, it shows the shape, color, size, anything which is describing a noun, which is qualifies a noun, shows any characteristics. Like when it shows features, when it shows a feature of a noun, anything which is shown by adjective for a noun, so it causes this types of adjective. So first one is adjective of quality. So it shows bad and good of a adjective of a noun. So like for example, let me give you an example. The example is a giraffe has a tall neck. So here you know,
or a wise person. So that other kind is called quantity. The adjective quantity is used with noun which is uncountable in their nature. Like how many people are present in the world? No one knows, because we cannot calculate how many people in the world. Then other is called all liquid things like liquid, water, juice, and any other things which are related from water, which are liquid things. They all are example of adjective quantity. Like some water are present in the jug. We cannot know how much. Means some is used.
he is a clever boy. So here clever is a adjective of quality. And my second type of adjective is adjective of quantity. So here adjective of quantity is how much. So adjective of quantity is the adjective of quantity is uncountable. So in the adjective of quantity, I have an example. There is more water than a milk. So here more is the adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity. And my third type of adjective is adjective.
and I have some example that he is a clever student. Now clever shows quality of adjective. And second is the adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity refers to the how much, and it is not countable but measurable. And there are some examples: some, any, few, little, and whole, all. And third is an adjective of number. It shows how many, and it shows it means exact number. And I have example that I have 2 pens used to describe the color, size, shape, and quantity of the
someone or some things independently in comparison to something else. And how can we identify which is the adjective in this sentence? So example, the adjective in this sentence is I like my old house. So in this sentence, old shows the personality. This old shows the adjective, and the boy is the tall and skinny. So tall and skinny is the adjective in the sentence, and more of the several types of the adjective, but three is the important types of.
So there are the three types of adjectives. So number first is quality. So of what kind? Good, bad. So he is a bad boy. So bad is the quality. And somewhere you talking about the good or bad. Or number second is quantity. How much? Uncountable. Like water, oil, milk, acid, cold drinks. This is uncountable. And you measure number. How many? This is countable and measurable. So I have 2 pens. So 2 is number, and
shows how much, and the number shows how many. So number first is quantity. Quality. Quality shows shape, color, and size. For example, this is a black chair, and this is a white board. Number second is quantity. Quantity refers to the how much. The quantity refers to how much. It is countable, but it is not countable, but it is measurable. For example, some, any, few, a few, the few, little, a little, the little, etc. This is the quality. Water, juice,
So today my presentation topic is activities quality, activities of numbers. Activities numbers, it describes how many describe, and is countables. Example, some few moves to many contents have the numbers in qualities. And first the position, it is the numbers. It is the number that describes to the adjective qualities, and what kind to not depend of a noun. A noun is the use with for example, adjective. What is a kind? What is kind? Qualities have the good. It is a describe.
What are the adjective? Adjective is a word which qualifies and disqualifies noun or pronoun. Example, happy, sad, longer, big, etc. There are 3 types of adjective, but I am alone only 3 type of adjective. So first quality of what kind, how much, and number.
So there are 3 types of adjective: the quantity, quality, or a number. So the first of all, the quantity. Adjective of quantity refers to how much, but it is not a countable, but it is a measurable. For example, there is some milk in the fridge. So the milk is uncountable, but we can't count it, but we can measure it. And then second, adjective of number. Adjective of number refers to exact the number of it describe. It may be